Before fitting keycap, record your key number somewhere safe. With ULtion facing you, push the key through the base until keycap clicks in the hole on the key. Squeeze together. Position the top section into the front and top sliders of the body. Holding just the body, push firmly down on a hard, flat surface and tap into place. Matching the circle on the back disc to the hole in the key, slide the top in and push down. If you're upgrading to keyring, pop the back disc out with a small screwdriver. To remove keycap entirely, lift the top cap off against the key head.